Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter 4 of your book, Absorption by Roots, in which we will study about the specialization of the roots in the absorption of water and minerals, and different experiments regarding that. So first of all, we will try to understand what are the function of the roots. Students, roots, as you know that, not only fix the plant firmly in the soil, not only provide support, mechanical support to the plants to stand firmly in the soil, but also absorbs water and minerals, nutrients from the soil, and supply it to the different parts of the plant. Now the question arises: what is the need of water and minerals in the plants? So in today's topic, we will only discuss about the need of water and minerals in the plant. If we see the need of water only, water is the chief constituents of the protoplasm. Means in every cell, water is required to make the cytoplasm and the other cell organelles. But apart from that, in plants, water is needed for four purposes. Number one is photosynthesis, second is transpiration, third is transportation, and the fourth is mechanical stiffness. So if we see the photosynthesis, I am hoping that you have studied in the junior classes that water is one of the raw materials for the synthesis of glucose by the process of photosynthesis. But if we see in proportion, only 1% of the water absorbed by the plant is utilized for the process of photosynthesis. That means if water is absorbing 100 liters of, if a plant is absorbing 100 liters of water, then only 1 liter of water is required for photosynthesis. But still, photosynthesis required water as a raw material. Now transpiration. Major part or large part of the water that is absorbed by the plant is lost in the form of water vapor by the plants. Now the question arises, why will plant absorb water? So the answer is plant will lost water vapor or water in the form of water vapor during transpiration for 2 or 3 purposes. First one is what? To cool down its temperature. Because in hot weather the temperature of the plant parts becomes very much high. So to cool down it, the water is lost in the form of water vapor. Now second one is to create the suction force. That is most important. Suction force means the similar force that we utilize to drink cold drinks from the bottle by using the straw. Similar force is created in the plants for the transportation of water and minerals from root to the top part, that is the leaf, that is the fruit and birds, flowers, etc. Now third one is transportation. For the transportation of both minerals and food materials that is prepared in the leaf. So for the transportation of minerals from root to the leaves, water is required, and similarly for the transportation of food that is prepared in the leaf to the different parts of the body, water is required. Now fourth one is mechanical stiffness or rigidity. So water provides turgidity or rigidity that provide the stiffness to the plant tissue. That means they will help the leaf to be in the position, and it prevent also the wilting, means bending of the young stem and the leaves. Means if there is a loss of water in the plants, the leaves and the young stem will bend. That is called the bending of the leaves is due to the loss of excess water. That is called the wilting of leaves. So it also protects the plant from wilting of the leaves. Now the minerals is absorbed by the roots in the form of either salt, that is the nitrate, phosphate and sulfates, or ions, that is the calcium ion, potassium ion, magnesium ion and chlorine ion, etc. There are more, but I have taken only 4 examples. So they are absorbed by the roots either in the form of salts or ions, and these substances or minerals are either utilized as the constituents of the cell or cell organelle, as well as in the synthesis of enzymes and variety of other compounds. Now this much for today, students, and next day we will study about the structure of the or specialization of the roots. Now if you have any question regarding today's topic, text me. Assalamu alaikum.